Hubballi-Dharwad Municipal Corporation senior member and St. Andrews School Board President Sudha Manikuntla has alleged that unauthorized and benami individuals are interfering in the administration of St. Andrews School, a reputed educational institution in North Karnataka located on Gadak Road in Hubli. She alleged that Chandrashekhar, whom she described as having a criminal background, is interfering in the school's affair through his supporters, causing inconvenience to students and staff and disrupting the institution's academic environment. According to her, Chandrashekhar has previously been involved in anti-social activities, brought dispute to the school's governing body, and is now attempting to gain complete control of the administration with the support of former principal Charles. Manikuntla said that since assuming office of board president, she has implemented several developmental and administrative reforms. However, she claimed that individuals with no connection to the institution continue to interfere in administrative matters, adversely affecting the school's functioning and reputation. Highlighting the school's long history and legacy, she urged Dharwad Deputy Commissioner Snehal, Education Department officials and the Police Commissioner to intervene and take strict action against those responsible. She stressed that only individuals with a good track record should be involved in the institution's management and called for an end to unnecessary interference in the school's administration to ensure quality education and a favorable environment for students. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.